There is a government-supported program that wants to partner with you to save the world and save you money. The next topics I'd like to talk about concern each and every one of us, saving the environment and saving money. Thinking green is essential for the future and well-being of our children. The U.S. is taking the lead in environmental conservation. The country encourages its citizens to take full advantage of existing natural resources in order to save energy, and U.S. homeowners are reaping the benefits. Today, homeowners who wish to embark on a renovation or remodeling project of any kind have a wide range of financing options from which to choose. But there's one specific loan program, it's called PACE, which has come to the forefront in recent years. It was born out of a desire to make us all a lot more environmentally friendly while saving us money on utilities and upgrading our homes. So what does this mean for us as homeowners? Well, paying for electricity is one of the biggest monthly costs a household has to bear. Today, with the encouragement of the government, more and more homeowners are going green, fitting their homes with energy-efficient systems and materials that lead to significant savings while boosting the value of their properties at the same time. Upgrading a home to make it greener and more cost-efficient begins with insulation projects designed to maintain a stable indoor temperature and require less electricity usage. When it comes to insulating a home, the leading and most significant measures include replacing an old roof with a new and cost-efficient one, fitting new windows, and renewing wall and floor insulation materials. Additional energy-saving upgrades include efficient and sophisticated heating and cooling systems that use less power. And the most widespread option that has become a real trend in recent years is the installation of solar panels that not only conserve energy, but actually produce electricity for our home through a renewable energy resource. These are some of the most popular energy-efficient home improvements, but there are plenty more. And these are precisely the type of upgrades that are covered by the PACE program. Under the program, homeowners can receive easy-term loans for financing energy efficiency measures that will make their homes greener, boost property value, and lead to significant energy cost savings. Moreover, in light of the importance the government places on promoting green energy and electricity savings, the criteria for receiving a PACE loan are less stringent than alternative loan programs, while repayments can be made through one's property taxes or mortgage payments. Leading professional contractors nowadays specialize not only in home renovation, but also in the PACE program itself, its qualification criteria and benefits. They can therefore assist their customers with the qualification and approval process. So if you're a homeowner that loves the earth and loves your home, PACE may just be the perfect way for you to care for both. And if you need a contractor who is also an expert in PACE financing, check out AIQHome and we'll help you find one.